Well, this is my first grandson, Zachary, and he's found out how to solve the Rubik's Cube really, really fast. How long does it take you, Zach?
About 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay, is it all mixed up? Can we see it? Yeah? Looks pretty mixed up to me. Okay, get ready. And I'll say 1. You ready? Huh? Tell me when you're ready.
Okay. Okay.
You ready? Okay. Here we go. Go. Looks like it's coming along. Whoa. Ooh.
Done.
Oh, awesome, awesome. I don't know, we didn't time you, but it was pretty quick. Hey, Zach, how old are you?
11.
11? Oh my gosh, and how long did it take you to learn that?
About a week.
A week? Wow,
Yeah.
That's awesome. And do you have fun doing it?
Yes.
Yeah. And how do you do it in your head? How do you know it?
Well, there's 8 different steps, basically.
Could you teach people how to do it? If we get some hits on this YouTube and people want to know, could you teach people?
Sure. I'll probably make another video.
Okay, great. Great. And so we're signing off for now, and we'll see you next time.